Hey everyone, so today we will be solving a question from CodeChef, divisible by I. So the problem statement is, we'll be given an integer n and we have to construct a permutation p of length n such that for all I from 1 to n minus 1, I divides absolute difference of two consecutive elements. Okay, so let's say n is equals to 3, then the answer is 213. It's because let's say when I is equals to 1, then absolute difference of second element and first element, that is 1 and 2, which is equals to 1. Okay, so it is equals to I. When I is equals to 2, then absolute difference between third element and second element, that is 3 and 1, it is equals to 2. So it's again equals to I, right? So that's why it's satisfying our condition, and we'll be printing this permutation 213. But let's say uh, for 3 only, what if I consider permutation 2 3 1? Okay, so when I is equals to 1, then I have to calculate absolute difference of 3 minus 2, right, which is equals to 1 again. When I is equals to 2, then I'll be calculating absolute difference of 1 minus 3, and which is again equals to 2. So it is also satisfying our condition, right? So I, here I is 1 and our answer is also 1. Here I is 2 and here the absolute difference is also 2. So when n is equals to 3, then 231 is also a valid solution, and we can print this permutation as well. So either 213 or 231, both are correct solution. Let's say when n is equals to 5, then our permutation will be 3 4 2 5 1. Okay, because I is equals to 1, then we'll be calculating absolute difference of 4 comma 3, so which is equals to 1, correct. When I is equals to 2, we'll be calculating absolute difference of 2 and 4, which is equals to 2. When I is equals to 3, we'll be calculating absolute difference of 5 and 2, which is equals to 3. And when I is equals to 4, we'll be calculating absolute difference of 1 and 5, which is equals to 4, correct. So when n is equals to 5, our solution will be 3 4 2 5 1. So if you will notice here, let me just write this array 1 2 3 4 5. So if you will notice here, let me write here as well, 1 2 3. So if you will notice, there is a pattern for this question. So if I want to generate a permutation which satisfy this condition, then the pattern is we have to first print the middle element of the array, so that is 3, and then one right element and left element, then again right element and left element, and so on. So this is the pattern which we should be following, and we'll get the required permutation. So let's solve for n is equals to, let's say, 7, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So our answer will be 4, which is middle element. Then I'll be printing one right element, that is 5, then left element, that is 3, then 6, then 2, then 7 and 1. Okay, so if you'll calculate for I equals to 1 2 3 4 and 5, you'll get the required result only, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's again solve for, let's say n is an even number, so let's say 6, and for this 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So in this case, what we will be doing, we will consider the n by 2th element. Okay, so that is 3. So I'll be starting with 3, then I'll print 4, 2, 5, 1 and 6. So again, if you will calculate for I equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4, you will get the required result only, and this is how this problem can be solved. So let me quickly show you my coding part. Okay, so you can refer to this code and solve by on your own. Okay, and you can see the solution was accepted. Yeah, so that's it.